Apple has released their iOS 11.3 software update. The software is now available as an over-the-air update for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. The company recently released the software for their new iPad and now it is being released to everyone. This is the company's largest update to their mobile OS since the release of their iOS 11 and it brings a wide range of new features to Apple devices. The update comes with 4 new Animoji. These will include a dragon, bear, lion, plus ARKit 1.5 and support for messages in iCloud. It also includes Apple's new battery management feature. This gives you a lot more information about your battery. It lets you know if it needs replaced. It also lets you know if your handset is being slowed down by a degraded battery. You can download the update on your iPhone or iPad by going to Settings General Software Update. If you install the update and notice any other new features, please leave a comment below and let us know.